everyone, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are going to carve the holiday turkey. It's super simple to do. I have a little bit of a technique. Let's get started. So to carve your turkey, first you're obviously going to need a turkey. If you're looking for the best turkey recipe, my citrus and herb roasted turkey, I have a video for that. You can check that out. It is foolproof. It's a great beginner turkey. I like to use this. This is an electric knife. It makes carving your turkey a breeze. So to carve your turkey, it's really not that difficult to do. If you follow this method, which may not be like the most professional method, you're still gonna have a beautiful display of sliced turkey at your holiday table. So to get started, we're going to move our turkey from the platter to the cutting board. So just plop it on here. And then we're gonna leave all the garnish on the platter because we're going to arrange the sliced turkey on the platter. First and foremost, we want to free the turkey legs. So if you can't untie them, you're just gonna slice them, just cut that string a little bit, and then unwind it. So that's for the trash. You don't want that on your platter. And then kind of pull the legs apart a little bit. So the legs are free now. And then we're just gonna cut the legs off. So we're gonna go in this way. When you pull it a little bit, you'll be able to see it coming apart. So if you can, at this point, you just wanna pop that turkey leg off. Needs a little bit more. All right, you can hear it pop out of the joint a little bit. All right, it's one leg down. So next you want to cut off the wing. So you can kind of like wiggle it around a little bit, and that's going to help you get it off once you cut all of the skin and everything around it. And we'll just kind of go this way. Again, you want to pop that bone. If you can, if you can't, you just get that knife and you cut through it again. Give it a little twist. Cut there. Basically, you're butchering your bird. There's like a little tendon that holds that bone together, and you want to make sure you cut that. All right, so now we have a wing. Just kind of arrange that there. And this is the easy part. First, I'm going to wash my hands because it's getting a little messy. So if your knife is getting a little messy, you want to wipe it. There's nothing worse than a slippery knife. You don't want to lose your knife and end up cutting yourself. The one good thing about an electric knife is you have that button, so if your hand does slip, it's not gonna keep sawing away. And then you wanna make sure that you're also carving away from yourself. So you don't, if you slip, you don't want it like to go, would be unfortunate. So we have that. So always keep like a paper towel handy, keep wiping your hands, and you'll be good. So now we're gonna make that cut along the breastbone. So you'll see there's like a dip in the middle here. It kind of looks like a little booty. You want to go to like the opposite side of the booty bone. It's not a butt, but whatever. All right, so make that cut. And to make sure you're going in the right spot. All right, and now we're gonna go along the side at the bottom. All right, one more cut should do it. Have the breast off. This is the easy part, and this is the part that just looks so amazing on your platter. So we're gonna just slice it into easy pieces to serve. This is where we're gonna fan it out onto the platter. And this just looks so nice when you do it this way. And it's really, really, really easy to serve. There we go. Kind of like step it a little bit so you can kind of see that it's the turkey breast. I mean, you know from the shape, but it just looks nice when you have the white meat showing. All right, and then you just repeat it with the other side. And we do like to cut all of this off, but sometimes it's nice to keep, if you're not like short on turkey and you don't have to like take every little piece of the meat off the bone, to roast this off in the oven and then use the carcass for turkey stock. So you're just gonna repeat on this side, cut off the leg, cut off the wing, and take off that breast, slice it up, and then you have the most beautiful presentation for your holiday dinner. I'm just gonna sneak a little bite before everybody gets here. So amazing. If you need more holiday recipes, be sure to check out our holiday playlist. There's lots of other recipes on there that you may enjoy. Mashed potatoes, gravy, cranberry sauce, just about everything you need. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.